Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be giving you some basic things that should be there in your makeup kit, and this kit is for beginners. So if they are confused what they should buy for the basic makeup, so I'll be clearing their confusion. I hope you like my previous video. So let's get started. The first thing in my makeup kit is complexion care, and this is Lakme CC cream. This is used for uneven skin tone. This will give your skin a shiny look, and these are available in many colors, for fair skin tone, medium skin tone. So choose according to your color. This is mascara. It's the best mascara. It's Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Mascara. You can see it. If you want to go out for a party, not for party, for basic daily routine, you can go for this because you can't apply false lashes all the time. And the next is Fit Me foundation. It's very light foundation, and for beginners, those who can't apply or they are very small, they are very small of age, so they can buy and this because it's very lightweight foundation. These are also available in colors, so you can, and it's for normal to oily skin, and it's weightless. And next is very basic thing and important thing is eyeliner. It's a gel eyeliner by Eye Studio, and those who are beginners, it's very reasonable, economical, so you can always go for this eyeliner only if you want to practice. There are many eyeliners available in the market, so if you want to go for wing eyeliner or you want to try something else, then you can go only for this because it's gel eyeliner. And whatever you want to make, like if you want to go for a wing eyeliner or you go for a straight, go for this eyeliner because that will not be easy for you for the next concealer to conceal your darker areas of your skin. It's a Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and it's best nowadays. According to you can go for this according to your skin tone. There are many imported concealers also which are available in the market, like is of Tarte or NARS, but this is the best concealer. And next is Kajal. There are many Kajals available in the market. It's of Maybelline Colossal Kajal. The people who are very fair in tone, they can always go for Kajal. And it's the basic thing you must have in your makeup kit. Next is brow pencil, and believe me, it's the best product you must have in your makeup kit. If you don't want to go for kajal, if you don't want to go for eyeliner, so you can only shape your brows and get your lips dark, and that's it. And see, I buy this from Nykaa, and it's very economical according to various brow pencils available in the market. And my next is paint your lips. As you know, you can always step out of your house. You always want your lips to be painted. There are various lipsticks, but for beginners I'll be giving you some shades which should be there in your makeup kit. This one is of this is from Colossal lipstick. See, and its shade is Fairy Tale 14M. Let's swatch it. It's of pinkish tone. You can see, if you want to go, like if you only want to step out of your home and you don't want a darker shade, then you always go for a pinkish kind of shade. Like if you are school going or if you are college going, then this shade will be the best. And my next is, it's also from Colossal. Colossal has a very wide range. It's Feeling Hot 93. It's also of pink tone, but it gives a shinier look. It contains gloss, the previous one, and it's in matte look. You can choose according to your skin tone and whatever you like. If you like matte shade, you can go for matte. If you want some glossy, you can go for the previous one. And next is of Maybelline. It's also in pink tone, little bit, not light pink. Its shade is Pop of Pink. See, three shades are similar to each other, but the difference is it is like kind of hot pink and it is kind of dark pink. No, hot pink and light pink. So if you want to go for glossy, you can go for the first one. If you want to have little bit dark lips, you can go for the second one. And if you want a neutral shade, like there should be a shade of pink, but that should not be louder, then you can go for this one. Hope guys you like my video. These are the essentials for the beginners. You must have these products in your makeup kit. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. I'll be giving you tutorial on this basic makeup. Hope you like my video, and please friends, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.